What do you think happens when a substance is heated? We know that the particles gain kinetic energy and move more vigorously. As they do so, they move further apart. What does that mean? The same number of atoms now require a larger space. Heat increases the size of the substance. The increase in size of a substance because of the heat is called thermal expansion. This is a phenomenon that is observable in solids, liquids, and gases. Let's suppose that we have a cold metal ball that can go through a ring. If we heat up this ball and try and hoop it through the ring, the heated metal ball will get stuck. It will not pass through the ring. Why? Well, because metals expand on heating.
To learn more about thermal expansion, download Attaiin app now.